Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be shopping at the Goodwill. So come on with me, guys. So I'm hoping to find some good buys, and they are stocked. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. I am truly loving their dishware. So beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.